Every day, millions of people rely on roads to commute to work, transport goods, and travel to new destinations. But have you ever wondered how these roads are constructed and what goes into making them safe and durable? Roads are the lifeline of any society, and modern road construction techniques have transformed the way we build and maintain them. From highways to small streets, the process of road construction has evolved over the years to become more efficient, eco-friendly, and durable.
Let's start with the Jalan Gangsa area. This person is trying to let the trucks into the road building area in and out. They had already created their path to build the road, so they let them in. That area was built up to the mountain a year ago until they reached Falim. Whenever I was driving in that area, it was a little roadblock to me.
This bypass has a total length of approximately 5.7 kilometers with 2.4 kilometers at grade road and 3.3 kilometers on the elevated road. The bypass consists of 4 interchanges comprising Jalan Kiatik, Jalan Bukit Gambir, Jalan Sultan Azan Shah, and the Boraya Pendoktor in Chong.
Why do I have to post this? I want to see how many of you will watch it. What was more dangerous was that when they reached the middle of the mountain area, they had to remove the rock. So they had to use the bomb to crush the rock until some incident happened, and workers and the Penang government must be worried. After that incident, they continued to build the road and transport the small rocks somewhere else using their truck. As you can see, the road is clean but not complete. It must take years to build and complete. To support the road, they must transfer the water for road construction primarily to facilitate soil compaction during the building process. To clear my point, I do not have any knowledge of road building, but I do know that the Penang government wanted to build the road area for the future. Everyone will drive from Changkat Tembaga area to Falim. I don't know what road they are trying to build after the next few years, but I know that road construction is dangerous. It may be difficult for people to manage. It only requires the construction workers to do it. I hope you learned something today, and thank you. Thanks for watching.